Hi everyone, it's Marky. Today I just wanted to tell you about this tissue dress. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It does have this side split right here on the leg. It goes down to about the middle of my calf. I am 5'3" for reference, and I ordered a size small. I'm also about 125 to 130 pounds, and the small fits just great. It does have this cowl neck that kind of scoops down, and then obviously spaghetti straps. It does have a zipper closure in the back, if you can see. So it's really well hidden. I hate when dresses have zippers that are super obvious, so they did make it the same color. The actual chest area is double lined, so you're not gonna have any see-through parts at all, which is really nice. The rest of the dress isn't see-through at all. I've worn it multiple times and it just looks great. It is this really pretty satiny fabric, and then it does have kind of this waist sewn in to kind of make you look snatched in the middle. I just think this is perfect for like a wedding or a date night, or a cocktail dress, something like that. You can dress it up, dress it down. The floral pattern is just beautiful. Give me 1 second and I will show you what it looks like on. All right, so now that you have seen what the dress looks like on, it's really pretty, really flattering. I think that you could just do so many things with it to enhance it even more. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.